Overcoming Nepotism and Crab-in-a-Barrel Culture in Jamaican Real Estate by Jamaica Homes, published on September 20th, 2025. Some days it feels like you're swimming against the tide, fighting to breathe while others pull you down just to feel taller, says an unknown, seasoned real estate professional. That's the reality of real estate in Jamaica. It isn't always about the property. It's about who gets to claim it, who the boss favors, and which colleagues play dirty just to look successful. If you've ever had a boss who gives listings to their favorites regardless of merit, colleagues who claim entire housing schemes as if they built it themselves, office staff who withhold information, manipulate documents, or subtly sabotage your deals, then you know exactly what a crab-in-a-barrel environment looks like. Document everything. Your proof is your shield. Nepotism and sabotage thrive where there's no record. The professional says, trust is earned with actions, but proof is earned on paper. Save emails, WhatsApp messages, client communications, and signed agreements. Take photos of showings, keep copies of marketing material, and track every interaction. If someone tries to claim your client or listing, your documentation is your defense, and sometimes your only protection. Clients are your fortress. No amount of favoritism can reach a client who trusts you. A client who trusts you is a fortress no office politics can breach, says the professional. Treat your clients like partners, not transactions. Educate them on the process, the market, and the property. The more informed and loyal your client, the less they'll be swayed by colleagues claiming your work. Don't get dragged into office politics. It's tempting to fight back, but retaliation often backfires. The crab in a barrel only thrives when you play their game. Step out of the barrel, advises the expert. Stay professional, calm, and focused on results. Avoid gossip or confrontations that can paint you as combative. Let your consistency, integrity, and performance speak for you. Diversify your listings and networks. If one office or boss is trying to limit you, expand your reach. Work with multiple agencies if permitted, or leave. Build relationships with developers, lawyers, valuers, and contractors outside your office. Target diaspora clients, foreign investors, or niche buyers who value expertise over connections. Being too reliant on one office or one development is like putting all your eggs in a barrel. Crabs will knock them out, says the professional. Find and own your niche. Trying to compete with everyone in the office is a losing battle. In real estate, you don't win by following the crowd. You win by being the one the crowd follows, the expert says. Specialize in what you know best: luxury homes, vacation villas, commercial properties, off-plan developments. Let your knowledge, reputation, and results define you, not office politics. Expect sabotage, plan for it. Yes, some colleagues will try to manipulate deals, spread false stories, or make you look incompetent. Office staff may delay documents or withhold information. You can't control the crabs in the barrel, but you can control how high you climb, advises the professional. Keep your work transparent, documented, and client-focused. Don't react emotionally. Respond strategically. Stay resilient and visible. Being ignored or blocked from listings can feel like a punch to the gut. T item. Use social media, property portals, and personal branding to remain visible. Marketing your achievements publicly ensures that your reputation travels faster than office gossip. When your work shines brighter than their favoritism, you become unstoppable, says the expert. 8. Protect your energy and choose allies wisely. Not everyone in your office has your back. Avoid sharing critical plans with colleagues who may claim credit or sabotage you. Identify mentors, supporters, and clients who value competence over politics. Keep a circle that strengthens you rather than drains you. 9. Measure success by results, not politics. At the end of the day, nepotism and favoritism might slow you, but success is measured in closed deals, happy clients, and a reputation that endures. Success isn't given, It's claimed, one honest deal at a time, says the professional. Keep climbing, keep learning, and let your track record speak louder than office games. Bottom line, the crab in a barrel mentality, favoritism, and sabotage are real in Jamaican real estate. But they're obstacles, not roadblocks. Document everything. Serve clients relentlessly. Own your niche. Build networks beyond office politics. The barrel may be full of crabs, but if you focus on your climb, you'll reach the top while they're busy pulling each other down, the professional concludes. Disclaimer. The views, opinions, and advice expressed in this article are for informational and motivational purposes only and do not constitute legal, financial, or professional advice. Experiences described may not reflect the practices of all real estate offices in Jamaica. Individual results may vary. Readers are encouraged to exercise their own judgment, conduct independent research, and seek professional guidance where necessary. The unknown seasoned real estate professional referenced is illustrative and does not refer to any specific individual.